Hey, welcome back. I wanted to make a quick announcement that from time to time I will be featuring some amazing businesses on my channel. So please feel free to check the description box for the full details. All right, enjoy this video. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I would like to start my video with featuring this beautiful Airbnb that is located in Houston, Texas. It's located near Houston's TopNet Center and just minutes away from the well-known NRG Stadium. Get to main attractions without having to drive far. The link will be located in the description box. Go ahead and book if you're interested. Now, I am showing you the ingredients I use for my salad, such as croutons. I use some seasoned croutons, some avocado, some feta cheese, some arugula. All of the ingredients that I use will be located in the description box. So I want to start off by washing my arugula. It's highly important that you go ahead and you wash it before eating it. And this is some chicken that I baked. I'm going to upload a video that displays how I made this tasty chicken. And here you can see after I'm done washing it, and I kind of pat dry it. I didn't show that in this video, with some paper towel to get the excess water off. Then you can see I go ahead and I give it a good mix and a good shake in this bowl that I used. You're going to need a bowl with a top if you want to go ahead and get that, all your ingredients mixed up well together. And this is the aftermath. I want to make sure everything is mixed up and really good. So that completes the video, and here I am showcasing how amazing this salad came out. I usually like a pretty plate. So that ends this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Go ahead and let me know how everything turned out.